Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable passwordless withdrawals into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to enable that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply select that icon and go to this page where you will get to see your profile. Select that at first, and after selecting that, go to security page. Now after going into security page, you will have to scroll down a bit and you will get to see this option of withdrawal setting. Tap to withdrawal settings, and after tapping into withdrawal settings, you will get to see this option of passwordless withdrawal. Now you just simply have to enable this toggle to enable that, and after that you will get to this option to set 24-hour verification free limit. It means you will have to set a limit for the withdrawals without password. Just simply select the limit for your USDT in here and tap to save button. And after doing that, you will get to see this page where you will have to enable 2FA by Google Authenticator at very first. Just simply do that, and after that enter your verification code which you will get into email address and mobile number. Then after doing this much, you will have to tap to submit button and your passwordless withdrawal will be enabled. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.